what's up guys, this is Phil again. Today I'll be showing you a video not very woodworking related as far as making anything. It's just a trip that I took today to our neighbor state here, Massachusetts. I got up at 5 o'clock this morning and I took a trip to Billerica, Mass to look at, to pick up some equipment that I have bought online. For you guys that have been watching the channel, a lot of the machines that I have, most of the machines that I have, they're all vintage machines, and just about 90% of those machines are acquired through either some type of auction or a private sale. So I had the opportunity of last week of purchasing a couple small things in auction. I was trying to purchase some bigger things, but I ended up losing the auction. I didn't have enough internet connection, and I was on site, and I was messing around with my phone, and long story short, I ended up losing the auction. But the cool thing is, I called Mr. Bashko, which is the auction house in Massachusetts, and they gave me permission to shoot a video inside their facility. I couldn't shoot anything outside because they have like their building is in junction with other buildings. So because of liability, I couldn't show the outside of the building. But they did give me permission to show the interior of the building, which is very cool. I got to see so many cool vintage machines that I've known through literature and books, websites, and I actually got to see it up close, touch them. It was a really cool experience. I saw so many Oliver, Northfields, you name it, a bunch of very, very cool equipment that it was a surprise to me because I didn't know what was going to be on the floor. So, and the people there were very, very nice. I mean, they were very accommodating. I got to visit two of the warehouses. One where I went to pick up the equipment that I purchased, and another warehouse that the guy took me just so I could show you guys the video. They had some Altendorf's machines. They had Oakley edge sanders. I mean, you're talking about American history through and through. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed going there.